Taiwan has become the first UPS site in the Asia-Pacific region to successfully implement an AMR system, an important milestone signifying an upgrade to our operating model.
The intelligent robotic system we introduced is specifically designed for the efficient handling of small parcels. In the past, inventory checks and storage location adjustments had to be completed manually. Now, robots can accomplish the same tasks within just a few hours, allowing the warehouse to maintain a high level of flexibility and responsiveness. The introduction of an automated system has significantly shortened cargo handling times. Orders are delivered faster with reduced error rates, which translates into higher customer satisfaction and a stronger foundation of service trust.
We monitor key robot performance indicators daily and use real-time data analysis to identify potential issues in advance, keeping the system running smoothly.
The partnership between Geek Plus and UPS goes far beyond the deployment of robots. Together, we design and implement customized solutions that seamlessly integrate robotic-enabled, flexible automation into existing workflows, delivering not only speed, but also enhanced safety and end-to-end traceability. This creates an economic model that manual operations simply cannot replicate.